Your fireplace is the natural center point of your home, so why not make it a statement by doing a floor-to-ceiling stone install? When I started my renovation on this 1922 Craftsman home, it was important to me to work within the look and design of this style of home while adding a layer of freshness and trend. Before we lifted my home, we removed the original exterior chimney to lighten the load. At this point, I decided to remove the old fireplace entirely, replacing it with a larger, grander gas one. We were starting fresh, with new framing for a new fireplace, and that meant I needed to decide on what kind of masonry look I wanted to go with it. CSI All Things Stone is my go-to for all my stone and brick needs. Whether I'm using it inside or outside, they have an amazing selection of styles, textures, and colors. I use the Echo Ridge Dressed Fieldstone by Cultured Stone on the exterior of this home, and while this product also works for inside, I wanted to brighten up the main floor of my living space with something lighter. I immediately fell in love with the handmade brick style from Cultured Stone in the color canvas. It paired beautifully with my built-ins and wall color, but added just enough depth to pop out as its own statement. With an older home comes uneven walls and measurements, and we knew the stonework wasn't going to be easy. What I loved about the handmade brick is how light and easy it was to install. What's unique about this product is it's a faux thin brick that looks and feels just like natural brick. It can be installed virtually anywhere as it doesn't require additional foundation support. I find most people can be intimidated when working with individual stones. However, having the ability to install one brick at a time allowed me to maintain the charm and character of real brick and achieve the overall look and feel that I wanted for my fireplace. If you've ever painted natural brick, then you've likely experienced how labor-intensive it can be. The handmade brick by Cultured Stone completely skips this step because it's available in a variety of stunning neutral colors that are sure to work for your home. We were working with uneven walls, 2 permanently placed piano windows, an oversized gas fireplace, and a transitional mantle surround. The question was just how high we wanted to take the brick. I decided to install the brick right to the ceiling, and I was so pleased with the end result. This created a sense of height and grandiose in my main living area. This space truly is such a treat to walk into at the end of a long day. My honest review, I would 100% recommend CSI All Things Stone on your next project. I can't wait to work with more of their products, and I'm excited to recommend it to all my future clients.